guys, it's Judy. Welcome back. Hey, I just wanted to stop in really quick and to show you a fast, simple recipe making some breadcrumbs. I know it's not the first time it's ever been done, but being on Weight Watchers, I've always worried about what's in all my recipes. So I decided to take some low-fat bread and make it into breadcrumbs. So when I make my meatballs or when I make my meatloaf, or I am, frying something and I want to dip them in breadcrumbs, then I can feel a little bit better about, the high smart points in the bread. So really quick, fast video, because we know we don't have a lot of time. Here I have some reduced calorie Italian bread, and I have 4 slices here. And I took the crusts off because you can leave the crusts on if you want. And I cut them into chunks, and I'm gonna bake them in a 300-degree oven just until they're crunchy. And I can put them in the food processor and grind them up. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll be back. So these were in the oven about 15 minutes on 300. So you can see how they're nice and crispy now. So I'm just gonna take all these, put them in the processor, and we're gonna pulse them, okay? Until you make your breadcrumbs. And that's it. So here we go. So you saw how easy that was, right? So these are perfectly toasted. I love them. You can leave the crust on if you want. They're just wonderful. So let me give you a comparison. A half a cup of these breadcrumbs is 1 smartpoint. Okay. Now, if you were to buy other breadcrumbs like panko or any of the other seasoned breadcrumbs, panko breadcrumbs for 1/4 cup is 3 smartpoints. Dried seasoned regular breadcrumbs is 3 points for 1/4 cup. So when I do gluten-free, because we have gluten-free allergies in the house, I will do the same thing with gluten-free bread. Because if you buy the 4C gluten-free seasoned panko, it is 9 smart points for 1 cup. So this is going to save you a lot of smart points. You'll be able to not feel so bad. I always feel like I can't have enough meatloaf or meatballs or something, but now I kind of have control over it. So look them up on your app. Look them up online. You can see how high the breadcrumbs are. But this is the way to do it. Now you can add garlic to this, onion powder, granulated garlic, parsley, any of your seasonings to make your own base for your own breadcrumbs. You can freeze them too if you make a whole bunch. So I just wanted to let you know about this, and I wanted you to give it a try, and I just wanted to show you how easy it is. It's just so easy, and I hope that you try it. So let me know, and see you later. Bye. Hey, I just wanted to pop back on and say thanks for supporting me. Thanks for subscribing. If you are not subscribed, I would love it if you did. Please hit the thumbs up for me. I enjoy doing this. If I didn't enjoy it, I wouldn't do it. So I enjoy, playing in the kitchen, playing with my art. If you've seen me some of my art videos. Follow me on Instagram. I'm Judy's_heart. Love to have you there. I do some little quick videos there on some cooking and on some art. So I hope you try these breadcrumbs. They're so easy to do, and I hope it helps you, because it has helped me, and I don't feel so guilty all the time with eating stuff. I hate that feeling. But anyway, keep on plugging, everyone, and we'll see you soon. I got some more things coming up. Bye-bye.